Drills are not a conditioning workout. They are a neurological software update, and doing them with poor form actually trains your brain to run inefficiently. Most runners treat drills like high knees or butt kicks as aerobic warm-ups to get their heart rate up. This is a fundamental mistake that separates elite practice from recreational jogging. The goal of a drill is transfer of training. We are looking to isolate specific components of the running gait, like vertical force production or ground contact time, and exaggerate them to improve your neuromuscular coordination. For a drill to be effective, it must satisfy three biomechanical criteria. Kinematic similarity, it looks like running. Kinetic similarity, force allows are similar, and specific intent. If it doesn't match these, it's just cardio. Let's look at the A-skip. Most people focus on lifting the knee high, which leads to leaning back. The actual value of the A-skip is this switch, the rapid downward drive of the foot. You are teaching your leg to act like a piston, not a pendulum. The force must be directed vertically into the ground directly under your center of mass, not reaching forward. Next is the straight leg bound. This drill targets leg stiffness. Running is essentially hopping from one leg to another, acting as a spring mass system. A mushy landing leaks energy. By keeping the knee locked and driving from the hip, you train the ankle and Achilles tendon to store and return elastic energy efficiently, reducing the metabolic cost of running. Finally, the B-skip. This is often butchered by kicking the leg out. The focus should be on active grounding, using the hamstring to pull the foot backward before it touches the ground. This backward velocity reduces braking forces upon landing. If you feel like you are reaching or overstriding during a B-skip, you are reinforcing a braking mechanism that causes injuries. Integrate these drills after your warm-up jog, but before your main run. Perform 2 sets of 20 meters for each drill. Focus on rhythm and sound. Quiet landings mean efficient mechanics. Master the movement first, then add the speed.